We are going to start the second episode of the series. Let us recapitulate the important points we need to remember. Number 1, we need to draw a rough freehand sketch before the final drawing. One rough sketch may not be matching the final one, but that will surely help you in the final drawing. Number 2, we have to draw by ruler and compasses only. Protractor will never be used. I suggest you to watch the series named Drawing Angles if needed in this channel. You can find the I button at the top right corner of your screen. This series contains 4 videos for learning how to draw angles, reconstructing and bisecting them without a protractor. We need to have a sharp pencil since we are generally expected to draw by pencil only. Number 4, we need to have a well-functioning compasses and a good ruler for an accurate drawing. I have to pause the video for a while. See, here I am struggling to measure, which is very common for the students. So you need to be very much careful while drawing. Very careful. I could delete this entire part of the video and reshoot, but I didn't do, to show that this kind of carelessness is very common and which must be avoided. So that was our second episode. We will learn some steps to draw a trapezium in the next episode.